Hi, I'm Nick Azad and I'm part of the team over at Parsec. You're about to watch our summary for our batch webinar. You can expect to learn how you can maximize asset utilization, lower costs, manage regulatory compliance, and improve product quality, all through the use of a single unified MOM platform. To watch the full webinar, as well as subscribe to our upcoming ones, please visit the link at the end of this video. With that, let's dive in. Making it as simple as possible. That is our approach to batch management with TrakSYS as an integral part of digitizing manufacturing operations. TrakSYS offers extensive recipe and batch management capabilities, based on ISA 88 standards, designed for handling both automated and manual operations. With TrakSYS, you can manage recipes, assign personnel, allocate assets, dispense and track materials, execute batch functions, and enforce SOPs. Configure recipes and versioning procedures in TrakSYS, or leverage its interoperability to bring in the master data from ERP. Define and manage batch functions, phases, and tasks such as setup and inspection and quality checks, and leverage the TrakSYS historian to record time series process variables. Use the contextualized information to isolate cases of nonconformance, identify root causes, and devise strategies for process improvement. Complete activities with digital signatures for comprehensive electronic batch records, traceability, and regulatory compliance. I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video. To view the full-length webinar, feel free to click on the link. If you have any questions for us pertaining to any other area of production, we would love to hear from you. Thanks again.